When preparing for competition, our focus is often shifted in the wrong direction. At elements we have no control over. It's been shown that failure is most often decided not by these factors, but by the story you've already told yourself. If you think a negative thought, the body listens. Outcomes will follow the mind. So if the mind can right the loss before it happens, it can write something else.